In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down. Now click on Passwords and Security, select Face Unlock, and enter your current screen lock. Following that, choose Start at the bottom, wait 5 seconds and tap on Next in Attention pop-up. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions on your screen. Now you can name your face data however you want to. Then click on Done. Over here, manage all of those options by tapping on the switchers next to Chosen Features. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my Redmi. In order to disable Face Unlock, click on this switcher next to Unlock using face data. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete your face data completely, tap on Face at the top, click on Delete Face Data, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!